Direct replacement. This accessory drive belt tensioner pulley is designed to match the fit and function of the original pulley on specified applications. Material, steel. Restores functionality. Reliable replacement for an original pulley that has failed due to vibration or corrosion. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This accessory drive belt tensioner pulley is designed to match the fit and function of the original pulley on specified applications. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance and durability. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality for the price. Installed the pulley on my 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee and it's working great. The bearing in the pulley seems to be made very well and operates smoothly. Considering that it only cost about half as much as some of the other options available and has a company name on it as big as Dorman, I really don't see why anyone would go any other way.